Let's take a look at your MT8 LT2 seminar in division property of exponents. First thing I want you to do is I want you to answer the first 5 questions and then come back and go through the rest of the seminar. We'll go over those in class. Here we have a picture of a Apollo 4 spacecraft from 1967 of the Earth. Notice it's from 10 to the 4th miles away, which would be 10,000 miles away. And then here's the same picture from 10 to the 5th miles away, or 100,000 miles away. Notice the picture on the right is much smaller than the picture on the left. We can see more of the Earth. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn to divide these. So in other words, the second picture is 10 times as far away as the first picture. When we have fractions with exponents, notice if I take 2 to the 8th here, I'll write down 2 times itself 8 times, over 2 times itself 3 times. Notice 3 of those, they reduce out, don't they? So I've got 2 to the 5th left over. If I do the same thing for variables, r to the 5th over r to the 4th, 4 of those r's reduce. So you have, with the 5 r's for the numerator, so you only got 1 left over, r to the 1st. In general, our rule is this: if I have a fraction and, let's rewrite that, I didn't write that very well. Let's say I've got x to the a over x to the b. My rule is x to the a minus b. And it kind of makes sense. If we multiply, we add the exponents. If we divide, we subtract the exponents. So that's what we're going to do on example 1. Notice I keep them the same, so I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to say b to the 5th over b squared times c to the 7th over c. Well, 5 minus 2, that's b to the 3rd. Remember, there's a 1 with this c, so 7 minus 1 is c to the 6th. If I apply that same thing that we did with the moon, only we're looking at the molecules in the air. It says at sea level there's 10 to the 25th molecules in a cubic liter of air. In the stratosphere, about 30 kilometers above the Earth, the same cubic liters has 10 to the 23rd molecules. How many times as many molecules are than the sea level than they're in the stratosphere? So I'm going to take 10 to the 25th. I'm going to divide by 10 to the 23rd. Well, I'll give me 10 to the 2nd, which is 100. So we'd say there are about 100 times molecules in a cubic liter. At sea level compared to the stratosphere.